What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today, I just got an email. Today, I'm just gonna be pulling a couple orders. Probably hit up a Goodwill, but I also gotta make a couple stops because, of course, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Well, today will be Valentine's Day because I think I'm posting this on Valentine's Day. You know what I'm talking about. So, I think I'm gonna pull a couple orders. I got 4 sales yesterday. Sales is going up. For those of y'all who are new to the channel, I'm a part-time picker. I got a full-time job, of course, and I just went hard. And when I say hard, I just now started going in on listing and thrifting and your sales and things like that about a month ago. I say about January the 15th is when I started listing, listing. And then right after that, I started kind of thrifting and going to these markets and stuff like that. I got about 120 listings on eBay right now, and slowly but surely, sales is picking up. I got 4 yesterday. Got 4 yesterday. About 4 the other day. 5 the day before that. So sales is picking up. Anyway, if you like stuff like that, like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to pull a couple orders. I got 4 orders I gotta pull. So the first order, let's see. I got some messy patty stuff, some ink, and a lens cap. So let's go find these orders. So I pulled all the orders, and of course, the lens cap. You see this ink right there? It's in that bin. A little bit with lens cap. Ooh, I can actually see it right there. Can you see it right there? That's why I gotta get a better organ. This is my little. This is where I keep stuff at. It's nothing, but this weekend, this room right here is gonna be converted. That shelf's going. That shelf's gone. My sock press is gonna be here, and I'm gonna have shelves here, shelves here. We got a shelf here, and I might have one more shelf. So this is gonna be my eBay stock room for the time being. Of course, I'm probably gonna overgrow this if things go how I want it to go. So this is gonna look totally different in about 3 or 4 days. So in our video, you take and show y'all exactly what I'm doing. This is pretty much my shoe room. I like pops. I collect pops. A lot of them I'm going to sell because I only collect ad icons now. So I plan on that closet there is where I'm going to keep all my clothes that I'm selling at. And this ink and stuff is going to be put up way better than it is now. So anyway, just wanted to kind of show you guys that. So stay tuned. Subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications, and you will be able to see that. Hope y'all can see me. Lighting's bad in here. I pulled everything. I packed this before I can tell y'all, but this is, I put it on the screen what it's sold for. I got these at a place called Ben's Bargain. It's something that's supposed to make girls' hair look like they just get out the shower. Bruh. Whatever that is. They had a bunch. I mean, I'm talking about a whole bunch, and they were selling them for 4 something with 50% off. So I got them for about $2 a piece. I only got at the time around like 12 of them because I wanted to test the market to see how it goes. They've been selling though. I've been selling on the average, I'd say at least once, twice a week. I'm selling them 2 at a time for $24.99. So every time I sell one of these, I'm making $20, of course, without minus the fees. And they ship, under what, 12 ounces, something like that. So not a bad buy. I'm gonna go back and get some more. Hopefully they still got some more. So yeah. Next thing I got is just this lens cap, Canon lens cap. I pulled this out of bin. The bin store for $1. It sold for $16.99, I believe. Quick, easy flip. It's light. You go at a 4-ounce rate. Throw it in the poly bag. Yeah, I probably throw it in a poly bag. It should be straight in the poly bag. I just don't want it to break, but it should be okay. And the next 2 things, just ink. HP 61 ink. I think this sold for $11.99. Very light, easy to ship. And also some more ink. This is 950 XL for HP as well. And this went for $21.99. Both of these I got in that ink purchase. I got 2 lots from them actually, and I paid like $50. So I'm into these probably, I don't know, 20 cents, I guess. I got so much ink, I don't know. But like I told you, my first box of this basically paid for all the ink. And there was a bunch of toner, ink, check out some of my previous videos if you haven't seen them. Great pickup, and pretty much got the ball rolling as far as my shop, because this ink sells pretty fast. I mean, as soon as I list it, it sells the same day. It's boom, 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 boom. So I haven't even listed it all so much, and I got other things I'm listing, so I'm kind of picking and choosing. List ink, list other stuff, list ink, list other stuff. So that's all I got to send out today. I'm gonna make a couple stops, do some Valentine's Day shopping a little bit. This, you know, flowers, candy, gift card or two, something like that, and probably go to the bins because it's $1 a day. Maybe stop at a thrift store. So let's get packing and let's get rolling. Time to get the Valentine's Day over with. Some balloons, some flowers. Look at this. I gotta get the mommy right? That's a nice setup. $13 for the rose. That was $20 for a dozen. Might have to do that too. Look at all the nice cavity lifted, encrusted, sweet tooth chocolates, candies they have. I don't know what to get. I'm overwhelmed. I hate coming to the store and shopping. What should I get? Any, many, money, more. This one looks nice. That one right there. Nah. Oh man, you can tell your boy feeling good today. Passed up at TJ Maxx. I couldn't pass it up. We're gonna go in here for a little retail arbitrage. Hopefully they not tripping, because usually they be tripping on them prices. But I only look at the clearance section. Let's see if they got. Last time I picked up some 2 gems. Picked up some pants for $7, Polo Ralph Lauren. Let's see if I can pick up some this week. What up, man? You doing all right? Sir. That's good, man. Going straight to the clearance section. That's my section. This clearance section, they got a little smaller. Okay, they got them all white. See, last time they were $7. They $10 today. But these are my size, actually. 34-30 is my size. I might have to get these for myself. We're gonna hang on to them for a while. Let's see what else they got. I bought 2 pair of pants. One for $8, one for $7. I mean, those are Goodwill prices. You see what I'm saying? Both of them is one of them is Nike. Got the big guys together again, size 50, 4XL, black. What kind of pants are those? 99 workout type deals. Seen some comps. One just sold for like 40 something dollars. Well, 40 might be more than that. I'll look it up. If I happen to remember, I'll put it on the screen. But anyway, look pretty good, man. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I got something that was exactly my size, 34-30. That's my size. And they all white linen Ralph Lauren pants. I think I'm gonna keep those for myself. So they was only $7. So I had to hop, was it $7? $8, I believe. I don't know. Y'all seen it in the video. So thrift store is right across the street. I'm gonna hit that up real fast. I'm trying to be in and out, man. I gotta go to work, you know what I'm saying? This is I'm gonna go in here, just look at the hoard goods. Damn, got nothing, leave, go to the bins right up the street from my house, because it's $1 a day, and I missed yesterday, so it's probably picked over, but I'm gonna go anyway. Tomorrow's 25-cent day. That's when they try to get rid of everything, you know. So anyway, let's go in this thrift store and see what's up. Thrift store is already looking fat, man. It's 10 o'clock. People be out here waiting, man. Ain't no spots. Look at that. Well, I guess it is a couple spots. Bruh. Buddy, I'm about to hit you if you don't move out the way. All right, in and out of there, nothing. Couldn't find anything. I take it back. I found one thing, this, which I'll show you, tell you about later. There's just nothing in there really. I mean, this right here, I don't even, I mean, there was some nice comps on it, none sold, but you know, if it does sell, it can go for a pretty penny. So I went on about it. My number $2.99. So yeah, I'm gonna go over to this Benz real quick. I'm just gonna run through there. The good thing about this Benz is that if you don't buy at least $10 a product, you can't use a card. You got to use cash. And guess what? I don't have no cash. So I'm gonna go over here. If I don't find at least $10 worth of stuff, which is 10 items, then it's a wrap. So if I pick up 10 things, hey, that means I'm doing something. If I pick up 10 things, 7 things, I might just throw another 3 in there just because. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'll be tripping. You know what I'm saying? So let's go over here and see what's up. Back to the Benz. It's called Gimme 5. See it? Gimme 5. But it's $1 today. Only $5 on Saturday. Look like people's going ham in there already. Let's go in here and see what we can find. All right, I'm back from the Benz store, back at home. I ended up getting like 12 things because everything was $1. And like I was telling you earlier, you had to spend at least $10 to even purchase anything if you're using a card, because I ain't have no cash. If you had cash, you can pay whatever. But in order to use your card, you had to pay. I purchased $10 of items to check out. So I bought 12 items. Some stuff probably shouldn't have. I mean, I know I can make money, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna start with TJ Maxx. I told y'all I bought 2 pair of pants. Excuse the echo. I'm in the kitchen. These pants was $10. They polo. Let me put my thing down right here. Let me get a better look at me. They polo. It's $10. Nice linen Ralph Lauren pants. I might keep these myself. I don't know. They my size. You know, when a boy goes out, the wife always want to get snazzy and go out. You know, I might have to freak it up on them one time this summer. So these are mine. Another pair, I was telling y'all I got these 52 4XL pants. Go this way with it. I think these was going for like, I don't know, I'm gonna post it on the screen. I didn't look none of these up because I gotta go to work, I didn't have time. But I will, when I edit, put some of the comps on the screen. Maybe 30 something, I don't know. Don't hold me to that. Y'all see it right there on the screen. So, got that. Okay, I also bought this. Excuse the table, my son's messy as heck. It's S&C, it's Stone and Clark. It's a shoe shine type kit. You know, got the brush shines, a little brush and wax up there. Going for like 40 something online. Now there's only a couple more on there. I didn't see any sold listings. This was $3.99, so I picked it up anyway. This is what I got from the thrift. This is the only thing that I got from the Goodwill. It's pretty nice, pretty dope. I'm gonna list it probably for close to that, whatever you see on the screen, because like I said, I haven't looked it up, but I believe when I looked it up earlier, it was like $46, $36 maybe, and I listed close to that. I'm just gonna knock this out real quick. These are the items that I bought from the Benz. This H2O Goes Like a Life raft. I believe I seen them going for about $15 online. It was only $1. That one will probably be like a summer purchase, so that one will probably sit in my store until the summer, I'm sure. Got this pet corrector. I believe these was one for $19.99. I'm gonna stop saying the price because I'm posting the price on the screen. Y'all see it. This is one of those Amazon, I guess, carts that they had. I'm gonna have to get that sticker off right there. But nice little profit margin in that. It was only $1. I just bought this Chi Chi Chong animated movie musical soundtrack album. Haven't even looked it up yet, but I will post it online. I'm sorry, on the screen. And as you can see, a lot of this was Amazon pallets. Still in the wrap, freshly wrapped. So we'll see what we can get for that. Davis Jezebel. It's a Blu-ray DVD. I haven't even looked this up, but I will put it on the screen. And whatever's on the screen, I will list it for. A lot of these probably going for like $7, $8, $9 a piece. You know, I paid $1. Easy ship. You know, I don't mind profiting $4 or $5 off that. That's a good anything. I mean, I paid $1. Doubling my money is great. So tripling, quadrupling money is even better, right? I looked this up too, and I do have to get these stickers and stuff off of them. The box is a little beat up, but it's still saran wrapped. I believe this was going for some pretty good money. I'll put it on the screen as well. It's a 100 pandas, authentic real casino type deal. I don't know. It's for Mac though, so I don't know. I put whatever it's on eBay, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm just showing y'all some stuff. I didn't even look this up either. It's a Crayola Art Edge Harry Potter deal. It's a coloring book, 20th anniversary. What else I get? This one here was interesting. It's like a Japanese Ravex track. I mean, everything's in Japanese. Look, I remember looking it up, and it was going for some good money, but there was no solds. But everybody had it listed pretty high, so I figured I can go right up under that and see what happens. I don't know, but that one was interesting. And a couple more Blu-ray. I just got them because they was going for about $10 a piece, I believe, $9, $10 a piece. They still sealed. A delicate balance. I got this. I didn't look this up, but it's a Canon strap for a digital camera, DSLR. I got this M-Rock. I don't know what this is, but I was looking it up, and they was going for about $5, $6, $7 a piece. And last but not least, I have no idea what this is. It's like a chip, but I went out on them and bought it. And I'm gonna look it up by the code in there. I have no idea what it goes to. My next video, I will let y'all know. Or I might just post a comp when I edit, if I find something online similar to it. But yeah, that's about all I did today. Quick. I was out for about an hour, got all those items, got about 14, 16 items. I think it's a good day in my book. Spent $12 in the bin store and $17 at TJ Maxx, $3.99, $4 in there. So this bit, you know, I feel like I can make, I'm not gonna throw a number out there, I don't know. My dog's over here eating. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe again. We gonna get out here. See y'all tomorrow.